Hey there YouTube, this is Country Boy Survivalist coming at you with my May 2021 EDC. Sorry I haven't been around for months, but it's been crazy, as we all know. So, here goes. First off, my most important item, still, my glasses. They still have not changed. I hate wearing eyeglasses, but something I have to do. Also, the silicone bracelet. I think I had it in my last video already. Probably, yeah. Hasn't changed. My belt. It has changed. I now wear this non-replaceable buckle hide and drink leather belt. Love this thing. Absolutely love it. It was actually not that much when I bought it on Amazon. I carry a fixed blade, my Buck 101. Love this knife. Carry it in the leather sheath it comes with. Plastic insert in the sheath, so I don't cut it, because otherwise I know I would. I carry a set of Soundmates earbuds, wireless, Bluetooth. I've had them for a few years. They're slowly dying on me, so I plan on getting another pair of Bluetooth wireless earbuds, better ones, in the very near future. Carry a Zippo. Just my first one I ever bought, Harley Davidson. Still one of my favorites. Carry my keys. Not much has changed, except for I put a bike lock on it, like on my bike, because I bought a bicycle. So yeah, put that key on there. Still carry the handcuff key. And I still carry a bottle opener. That's the national beer of Belize, which is where I'm originally from. But I plan on getting a different bottle opener, fully titanium one, in the very near future as well. Carry a Swiss Army knife. There's the Victorinox Hiker. I love it. It's an awesome backup knife, or knife for when I'm around non-knife people. And I like using the small little backup knife on it as a letter opener. I also still wear this. Replaced the chain because the other one popped right on the bottom, so couldn't just fix it. I do dip tobacco. I know it's a nasty habit, but it's one I'm not going to give up anytime soon. Copenhagen Straight, long cut. If I could get wintergreen long cut here in Canada, I would, because I prefer it. Underneath that is my new wallet. It's a minimalist, kind of suede leather. That's the brand right there, Buffway. It's an Egypt coffee color. Love that color. Minimal RFID blocking. I usually keep my ID in here, but didn't want to show it to anyone, so took it out for the video. And this thing holds everything I need, and I love it. It's the best wallet I've ever bought, probably. Carry a bandana, old school woodland camo one, my favorite one. Carry one of my favorite items, wristwatch. This is just a Timex all black, classic elastic metal band. Love this thing. Date window right there. As you can see, it's May 20th. Close to midnight. It's almost the 21st. when I'm filming this. My flashlight is a Olight i5T EOS. Came with the blue clip and I love that. Battery might need to be replaced soon, but love that light. Carry a tactical pen. It's just a cheap one off Amazon. Paid like 12 bucks for it. At first I bought one for my cousin as a Christmas gift, and then I saw it, I liked it so much I bought one for myself. It's got a glass breaker, very sharp one at that, on the end there. It's a twist pen. Love that pen. I use it for work all the time. Carry my Leatherman Surge. In my opinion, the best Leatherman ever made. Partly because of this right here, full-size scissors. And I also love the full-size knife they have on there. I just carry it in the belt pouch that came with it, the nylon one. I actually like this belt pouch. And the last thing on here is my main knife, the CRKT M21-04G. I love this knife. It's my favorite tactical folder right now that I own. It's the one I carry most of the time, unless I'm wearing shorts. Then I still carry my Spyderco Tenacious All Black. But if I'm not wearing shorts, the CRKT is most likely the one. And sometimes instead of my Leatherman, I'll carry my Buck 110 on my belt. But besides that, I also have recently got a pair of black Nordiv 8 tactical boots. Love them. I've worn them quite a bit since I got them. Still wear cowboy boots often too. And you'll most likely see me in this ball cap, Black Rifle Coffee Company Woodland one, or one of my multitude of other ball caps, or if I'm wearing cowboy boots, sometimes a cowboy hat. And if I'm wearing cowboy boots and a cowboy hat, I'll wear a belt with a western belt buckle. And that's when I'd wear my Buck 110 on my belt, mostly. This is Country Boy Survivalist. Signing off. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.